Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. We're back here at the nursery. This is hive number 1012 nursery. It's a single deep nuke, and they look like they're a little active today. There they are. They're a little active. No robbing going on. Now yesterday, I was trying to do some videos, and the wind was blowing at about 14-15 miles an hour, and it was gusting about 36. I took two videos. I'm back here behind the fence now, so the wind didn't really bother me. And I videoed two of them. I videoed 03, which is a double deep 10, and my nuke down there on the bottom is 326. Got the house, and then I had to quit because the wind was getting a little bit and the rain was starting again. We were getting some stuff from that hurricane. Been getting stuff from that hurricane for 4 days. Yeah. Today's supposed to be clear. This one here is got a yellow queen. Last time we was in here was according to this, was the 3rd of last month. But they look like they're having a little situation here. And they were getting a little excited, so we went and got the smoker. I know they say smoke the people, not the bees. Had someone ask me about the smoker. They want to know if what the smoke did to the bees. It does several things. One is to let them know I'm here and I don't like them to sting me. That's one of the things. Another thing is they think there's a fire somewhere because they feel the smoke, so they're getting out of the. They're wanting to get stuff out of the hive that they've got. Come on, girl. Get the stuff out of the hive that they've got, so they all fill up with honey. They all fill up with honey. They all fill up with honey, so they can't bend their back properly to sting you. Now we're going to take this and do something with it. And we're going to give some fresh food. See how they're doing. I gave them some food before all this stormy stuff started, and I may have given them some bad stuff. So we're going to check them out and find out. Now the two hives that I checked yesterday, I'm not going to check again today. Okay, back with the smoker. Smoker does a lot of things. One, it's supposed to let them know that there's a fire somewhere, so they're trying to get all their supplies ready to leave their house just like a person would. And they can't bend over to sting you. Another thing is if they're crawling over the edge and coming down here, and most of them babies when they do that, and if you spray it a little smoke under here, it'll make them go back in. That's a lot easier than what I showed somebody one time. I showed him what not to do. Take my hand and push it over here. They get excited when you do that. This one has some nectar, has a little honey. Bottom looks clean. No bug stuff. So we're going to set them right here. We're going to do this one quick. Come on, move your head. Then we're going to give them some new food and make them happy. I brought them some honey today too, for the ones that needs it. This one here has brood. No bugs, got a little honey, got a little nectar. Bottom is super clean. I guess when it was cold and windy and wet, they couldn't really go out and do much, but I can take some propolis off of you. But anyway, that's just a couple of things. Another thing to finish talking before I forget it. Another thing the smoker does, if I got a bunch of bees in here and this outside one is the one I always pull out first, if there's bees on both sides and I don't know where the queen is at, I spray my smoke down the side of that and the bees get off of it so I can pull it out without hurting anything. This one here has some honey and some nectar. This is the one that we just looked at. Yep. Pull it back out for a reason, people. Y'all think I'm just forgetful. Yeah. If I can finally get that video that I take down here of 326, you can find out what I was forgetful on. Okay, but that's clean. We just needed some of the propolis off. No bugs. That's just a couple of things the smoker's for. This one here has a lot of honey on it. It's got honey and nectar. That's got honey and nectar. And I think I'm gonna just go get these another box from the freezer. She has no place to lay for her winter brood. This one has plenty of food. It has some brood. Has some larvae. I feel that there's a couple of eggs down there. This one here has the same thing. It has some brood. Yep. We got eggs and brood and larvae. And that's them. This one's loaded up with honey. And this one has some honey. Okay, that's them. They got honey on both sides. They see a queen. We'll look back through here real quick. Oh, she could be on the side. Could be walking on the bottom. Be doing what she's usually pretty good at, and that's hiding. This one, she doesn't have much room to lay in. She has eggs in there. Okay, we got eggs, so I'm not going to really worry about it. But I am going to give her some more room to lay in. So what I'm going to do is just get another box another nuke box. Get me 5 frames out of the freezer. And I'm going to put her 3 frames at the top to lay in, and I'm going to put 2 frames in the bottom that they can put stores in if they want to. And I don't even know if I'm going to feed them. They can build up frames with what they got in here. So I'm going to just do that. I'm going to put 2 empty ones in the bottom. I'm going to put 3 empty ones in the top. Put the frame that the queen is on, or has brood on. And she will go up to the top because it's cold. She may have been on this frame here that I took out first. They got some room on there they can build on. Put it back in the house. And I'm going to go get them some more pollen. Must have left my pollen out last night. Some critter come and got it. But we're not going to give them any liquid food. Let them eat what they've got for a while. Bottom look clean, and that's this one. I even wrote down 11/11 yesterday. But that's that. Hope y'all enjoyed that. We saw brood on this one, and one of the other ones I showed. The guy was asking me about where the brood was. We had a queen, they had store, and I've got to put a frame in that one too. But y'all have a great day. You take care of yourself. Give us a thumbs up, a comment. Comments are good. Let me know what we can talk about. Kind of like the smoker. I never thought about it much, but somebody asked me about what the smoker did. And that's it. And if they get flighty like that, they want to sting you, just spray them down a little bit with this thing that calms them down. But y'all have a great day. Take care of yourselves. Like I said. Bye. Be careful.